This is the worksheet you had for homework today. After your quiz, we'll start on 15, work backwards because I'm not sure where we're at different classes. We're in different, but I know for sure we didn't finish this one. When you see, you always look for the variable. Wherever the variable side is, you get rid of that number on the letter side. In this case, it's divide. When you see divide, this is y divided by 0.45. Okay? You need to, I'm going to open Google Chrome, do the opposite operation. Okay? Get a calculator because you're allowed to use a calculator. Calculate. Okay. Well, you have a Google calculator ready to go. All right. The opposite of. Oh goodness, let me take my son already. The opposite. You do the opposite operation. So the opposite of divide is multiplied by 0.45. We don't use an x for a sign, but we use parentheses. Parentheses mean to multiply. 0.45 multiplied by 0.45. Cancel that out. You have y equals, okay, calculator, 0.45 times 640 equals 288 is your answer. Number 14, you find a variable. Variable in this case is p, and this is 45 times p, so the opposite of times is divide by 45, so you divide by 45 here to both sides. What you do to one side, you do to the other. You have left the variable p on this side. Oh no, I forgot. Sorry. Okay. This problem here, it's 45p. The opposite of multiply is divide. So divide both sides by 45. Okay, you got p equals. Okay, and then you take this number right here, put it in 792 divided by 45. 17.6 is p. Okay, then here for the variable you see here is b. This is divided by b divided by 23, so the opposite of divide is multiply. So we do multiply 23, multiply 23, b equals, oh my gosh, again, sorry, number 13. Let me do this again so you can see it. Anyways, I need to remember to, this is divide by 20, b divide by 23, this is divide. The opposite of this divide is multiply, so you times each side by this number 23 because it's divide by 23, so you multiply by 23. B equals, use a calculator, 45.2 times 23 equals 1039, sorry, 1039.6. That's your answer. Okay, it's basically what you're doing. So that's for all of these here. This one, same thing. You look for the variable. This is times. So you're going to do divide by 67. Divide by 67. Use your calculator and you get your answer. Here, find the variable. The variable in this case is W. Divide by. The opposite of divide is multiply by 54 here. This number here, 54. So you multiply this by 54. Cross that out. W equals, use your calculator, and whatever your answer is your answer. Okay, same thing here. This is times. The opposite of times is divide by 23. Divide by 23. Use your calculator. You get Y equals. I need to see the steps. All these are the same here. Now number 6. Number 6. When you have a plus or a minus, in this case it's a plus, you make the number on the variable side. On the variable side, here's the numbers. Negative 743. You make that equal to 0. If it's a plus or a minus, remember the goal is to make 0. So how do you make this negative 743 equal to 0? It's a minus, so you add 743. Okay, you add 743. This is going to equal to 0 right here. Okay, so you take the calculator, clear it, put the negative in there. I don't know, negative 501 plus 743. You get your answer, 242. 242 equals to this left W. Okay, same thing here on number 3. This is a plus problem, so the goal is to make this number right here equal to 0. How do you make a positive 600 to get 0? You minus 562. Minus 562. So you have on your calculator, you put this one in right here. Clear it, negative, or minus 562, add that to 1.47, gets you 60.53, 560.53 equals, this is 0, so you cancel those out, H. Okay, and these are all the same. You make zeros because it's plus. They're add or subtraction problem. The goal is to make 0. So this one here, you make 0 to this number right here. How do you make that equal to 0? By adding 5.61. Either you put it below it, or most of you like to put below it. I need to show you on the side so that when you see it on the side, it's not a surprise to you. Okay, sorry. Plus 561. Add 5.61. Use a calculator. This is 0. You got left K equals this letter K here. Okay. Use your calculator and you get your answer on what this is. Alrighty. Okay, and that'll be it. I'm going to upload it.